As developers, we're always looking for ways to be more productive, write better code, and collaborate more efficiently. And now, there's a new tool that can help us do just that. Introducing the ChatGPT Easy Code extension for Visual Studio Code. With Easy Code, you can experience the power of AI integration in your IDE, helping you to be more productive, solve coding problems faster, and collaborate more efficiently. EasyCode is a free and easy-to-use extension for Visual Studio Code that doesn't require any session keys or OpenAI keys to set up. It works natively with JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python, and also supports other languages like Java, Ruby, Go, PHP, C#, and C++, with the language extension pack installed. When you first install EasyCode, you'll have the option to index your codebase, allowing the AI to provide relevant answers and suggestions specific to your code. And if you have any follow-up questions, you can ask EasyCode to help you understand the code better. EasyCode can help you with everything from code suggestions and explanations to semantic and general searches. You can even ask EasyCode to generate code snippets or help you troubleshoot issues with technical support. EasyCode can help you understand the big picture by answering questions specific to your codebase, like, what does this application do? Or, how does user registration work? Or you can use it to find relevant code by asking, where is user authentication handled? If you need help with a specific coding task, EasyCode can generate code snippets based on your prompts and examples, like, how do I implement this feature? Or, what are the changes needed to do that? And if you're stuck on a technical problem, EasyCode can help you troubleshoot and suggest solutions. EasyCode can even help you optimize your code by analyzing it and suggesting improvements, helping you to write better code faster and with fewer errors. With the ChatGPT Easy Code for Visual Studio Code, you'll have the power of AI at your fingertips, making you a more productive and efficient developer. So why wait? Download the Easy Code today and start writing better code faster.